If you want to transform your life, you need to hear this. Today we're diving into the world of manifestation and mindful living. We're going to explore how creating a vision board with intention can change your life. Stay tuned because this is going to be a game changer. Welcome back to Steps to Wholeness. This is not medical advice. Have you ever felt stuck, like no matter what you do, you can't seem to move forward? Maybe you've tried setting goals, but they just don't seem to stick. The problem might not be your goals, but how you're setting them. Many people set goals without a clear vision, and that's where the trouble begins. Without a clear vision, it's easy to get lost in the day-to-day grind and lose sight of what you truly want. This is where a vision board comes in. A vision board is more than just a collage of pictures. It's a powerful tool that helps you focus on your goals and manifest your dreams into reality. Let's talk about creating a vision board with intention. First, you need to get clear on what you want. This might sound simple, but it's actually the most crucial step. Take some time to reflect on your goals and dreams. What do you truly want to achieve? What does your ideal life look like? Once you have a clear vision, it's time to gather materials. You'll need a board, some magazines, scissors, glue, and any other materials that inspire you. Start by cutting out images and words that resonate with your goals. Don't overthink it, just go with your gut. Now, it's time to arrange your images and words on the board. This is where the magic happens. As you arrange your vision board, focus on the feelings and emotions associated with your goals. Visualize yourself achieving them. Feel the excitement, the joy, the satisfaction. Once your vision board is complete, place it somewhere you'll see it every day. This will serve as a constant reminder of your goals and keep you motivated. But remember, a vision board is not a magic wand. You still need to take action towards your goals. Use your vision board as a guide, a source of inspiration, and a reminder of what you're working towards. Now let's talk about the power of intention. When you create a vision board with intention, you're not just setting goals, you're aligning your energy with your desires. This is the key to manifestation. By focusing on your goals and visualizing your success, you're sending a powerful message to the universe that you're ready to receive. Intention is everything. It's the difference between wishing for something and actually making it happen. When you set an intention, you're making a commitment to yourself and to the universe. You're saying, "This is what I want, and I'm willing to do whatever it takes to achieve it." In conclusion, creating a vision board with intention is a powerful tool for manifestation and mindful living. It's not just about setting goals, it's about aligning your energy with your desires and taking action towards your dreams. Remember, the key to success is intention. When you set an intention, you're making a commitment to yourself and to the universe. So, take some time to reflect on your goals, create a vision board, and set your intentions. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve when you focus your energy and take action towards your dreams. Subscribe to the channel for more mindful living, health and wellness, and manifestation tips.